Kids and vaping. It's a serious problem in many communities. In fact, Summit County public health officials call it an epidemic. Officials say a survey of 18,000 middle and high school students confirms a major concern.
Bob Jones is live in Akron tonight. And Bob, the survey looks at the number of kids vaping by grade level.
Well, Danita, and that number grows every year of high school. Take a look at what we found this afternoon. By 12th grade, 36% of Akron students have tried vaping products. But when you look at the suburban schools, those high schools in Summit County, that number jumps to 57%. Well, Summit County public health officials want to reverse that trend by getting in more education and programming. Overall, the Summit County Youth Risk Behavior Survey revealed 42% of high school students have tried e-cigarettes. Jalen Coppinger among them, but says no more vaping for him.
It looks cool, but it's not a satisfaction.
Corey Kendrick says there's nothing cool about the high number of kids vaping. Even at the middle school level, 16% of students questioned have experimented with e-cigarettes.
And we're seeing as young as 11 years old or younger on this survey of when they first start using e-cigarettes.
The good news, teen cigarette smoking and alcohol use both down since the last time the survey was conducted in 2013. Vaping wasn't even on the questionnaire back then. Kendrick says many kids have a misconception that vaping is safer than cigarette smoking.
More and more research is coming out showing just how dangerous e-cigarettes are, the carcinogens they contain. There's new studies showing they actually have a biotoxin as well as a carcinogenic chemical.
Students at North High School who took the survey not surprised that currently 1 in 4 Summit County high school students is vaping.
It's quite a bit of people at my school. They even carry their vapes around with them too.
Not only do they have the peer pressure, but they also have the effects of the actual vaping. And it's like people don't realize like you are putting a lot of crazy things into your body.
Kendrick is hoping the alarming vaping numbers among children will lead to grant funding for programs to reverse the trend.
It could be a variety of things. It could be education, prevention, programming, interventions.
Many of these kids believe any of those things could make a positive difference.
The more kids that we keep away from, they could be helping cure cancer, or they could be helping do other things for the community instead of doing that.
Another concern to come out of this study tonight, there was about a 35% increase in sexually transmitted infections among 15 to 19-year-olds. One reason for that, more of them reported having unprotected sex. Live in Akron tonight, Bob Jones, News 5.